What's up? What's up, my people? What's up? There I go on a little small road trip, yeah. Decide to go on a little reasoning while going, you know. Keep the channel active. So when you don't know life is a mission, people, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to give the video a thumbs up. Share the link of the channel. Share the videos. Alright? Help the channel to grow. That's the way you can help the channel to grow. Most of you might, oh, me I gonna help the channel grow. Yes, man. You help the channel grow by watching the videos, giving a thumbs up, which is a like, you know, even commenting, you know. And when you share the link to others and them subscribe, I help the channel grow, you know. You're a part, you're like a shareholder in the channel. Yes, man. Always remember, you're a shareholder. Without you, the channel is nothing at all. Alright? So you know what to do. And remember, you ask for it to get it, the Cash App pin in the comment section. You can go ahead. You ask for it. Alright? Anyway, my people, you know, I did to do, this was a topic I want to do. We're chatting on the ends is concerned yesterday, but all because of the ends never, you know, the ends never really in the condition for me to do. Because as me show, no, I don't even know if that video there, the YouTuber, I reviewed that video there, but the ends it kind of crowded yesterday. I don't know if a domino tournament not play yesterday if it take a rest. And music did not play in the bar, so you know it never conducive for me to do a video. But this is what was one of the topics what I want to talk about and chatting on the ends. Do you think, and don't need to participate as me saying in the comment section, do you think a man should still financially support a woman after she lock shop on him? I don't know when I say lock shop, I mean lock foot. You understand? Do you think a man should still support a woman after she lock shop on him? Whether she have picnic fame, or she and him just live for a period of time and whatsoever, do you think the man should still support her financially? Alright. Reason being, whether she have kids same or not, you understand? So I can put it there, because there's a difference if she have kids same, and I'm going to break it down. If she live with this man here and decides that she going to lock shop, she must lock shop for a reason. Yes, she can't just get up and lock shop, so. Because even if she says she got turn Christian, me sure know God and the Bible never tell no woman say, if you decide to give your life to him and you have your spouse so you have for how much years, you must lock shop on him and do away with him. Me not think that's in the Bible. I mean, I think God tell none of that. You have to give the man time. You get your calling or you go into the church because of some reason or the other. Because everybody going to the church are calling them getting up. Some people go into the church because problem and then can't take it no more. Some people go into the church because of needs and wants, and them feel like when them go and say them turn Christian, Father God, I gotta just reach out to them same time. No, Father God don't know your intention long time. So I just use you come for use him. After probably you get what you want and achieve what you want in a life, you're gone left him out of the church again and gone back to the earlier stage. So you can't trick God, just remember that. Next thing, you might feel like say the man have too much woman pan you and stuff and you might walk. As well as you now can find a next man where you feel like I treat you a little better and you're gone. You decide to you go lock shop on me. Alright. But when me I say, why you go lock shop on me and still want me to maintain you? You can't lock shop on me and still want me to maintain you, lady. That's not right. And for whatever reason you lock shop on me for. So for instance you lock shop on me because me have too much woman. Or you find out say me have two other women on the road. Yeah, you lock shop on me, but 8 till you go and pick up another man now with female woman. You understand? And when you go pick up another man now with female woman, you would go and just now go and play second fiddle, you know. While you did in my life as number one. Despite you said me have other woman on the road, but you was number one. You never have to hide from no woman. Woman have to hide from you to see me. But you know, say you take yourself from that position and run down in a worse position where the worst position where you run down in a Jesus Christ, people. I wonder if we can stop and make you see that woman in your face. No, sir. I wonder if she come straight to me. People, hold on, I make you see that woman here. She look cranny, she cranny. Hold on, I say I can't make you see her. Yes, my people, no look, you know. When down here, I say, look now, no look. Yeah, and look on her good. Alright, she fast approaching now. Just look across the road there, so people. I want to open a vehicle and pass and she a pass so you can't see her. Look on her now, look on her. Cheese and peas. You know, look on her, you know. Look how the woman full of tattoo, burn out, bleach out. Look on the woman, look there. Cheese and peas. So all that the woman there. No, sir, I'm going to go up a little further. I'm going to take another look on her. Look on her behind her. Look there. You want to look them people? You want to see her? Jesus, peace, Father God. If you're not busy, come here. No, sir. How them your people are cruel to themselves, so man. The woman bleach out till she pink. Her face coming like a dye. She dye her face the way her face pink, red, blue, everything. Tattoo all over from face go right. No, sir. Them your people are seeing themselves before them face, Father God. Will fully sin themselves to you know, because the whole of we have sins, you know. No, man. Anyway, back to where me are some people. If you are going to leave me, if you go to another man, that another man supposed to know, say, you're supposed to know say, that another man, are you are going to be number one. You can't go to the man, they're going to be number two. Or if you go to the man, they're going to be number two. So you jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire. No, sir, you're an idiot. And if so be the case, oh, you want me to still maintain you? If you go pick up a man with an icicle, film icicle have dry ice, so it's tough. But to my icicle soft then, put it away. I say my icicle soft. I want dry ice. And my banana bending in the middle and sitting and a soft out in the middle. You understand? And you want icicle with tough. So you go find one of them on dry ice. And not only the icicle you have to go for, man. You have to consider the consequence and the risk where you have to run now for just the dry ice alone and left homeless or left without food. Because that man can't carry a guy in yard, him can't afford to rent a place give you. So basically it's just the icicle you gone there suffer. So what reason you did left me? Now better you did go and sit down with me when me are in a relationship for much years, when me provide a shelter over your head and me make sure you have your food and whatsoever. Not saying I want to sit down in a this type of, you know, uncomfortable relationship. But why jump one and go into another one? And the one where you're going into, you don't have no knowledge other man upon a certain level. What he will give from what he won't give, or what he will take from what he won't take. So better you sit down in the relationship where you know you have a shelter and you have food over your head until something can come better. But you jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire. Secondly, you can't go and see this man and no lock shop on me, because sometimes, you know, people, you have relationship where in other circumstances the woman lock shop on the man. But whether the woman have picked for the man or whatsoever, because the man and the woman live for a period of time and stuff like that, you realize the man, alright, so for instance, a woman, why she want, she lock shop on him because she have it saying him guilty with himself, because you know say guilty conscience speak loud. And he decide to try for weeks and months to try to get back the relationship on a level. So basically him allow her in a place because I feel in place now, you know. But this woman decides that she now open back shop. But one, she want me to pay my money over the counter and me can get served. And eight till she go a road go serve other man. And then my door a pull after hours, whether me in or out, you a come from your man come lie down side of me. Because as I say, you know, it do happen, you know. It do happen with a relationship, people in a relationship and shop lock on the man. But because of the circumstances of the shop lock, despite of the man place, him allow the woman to stay around, to try to see if him can get back around with the relationship. Then probably she have kids, sorry man, him just don't want to put her out like that. So him give her enough time, him try to work out the relationship, she decide to play stubborn and lock shop, but you still a go a road, go open shop for somebody else. And me, if you put you up, it not gonna work. Because after certain months, when me realize you decide not to forgive me or make a work out the something, you understand? You got to go. Because me not gonna allow you if you go to a next man a road and then I come to me. Yes, my people. So as me I say, it do happen. Whether she go sleep on the floor or me I go just, you know. Well, basically, as she are the one who have the problem, so she have to sleep on the floor. Me now I don't tell you no. If a me was the problem, me did that have problem with she, then would have sleep on the floor. But like what she have problem with me, and she have to go up on the floor, she don't want to sleep side of me. As she choose that. And me choose it for her. She choose that. But it do happen. Man and woman in a house where them shop lock on them now. You understand? But at the same time, circumstances make it what it is. But as me say, over a period of time, if me not see nothing change, and me know say she have go see somebody else, she have to go on. Because she should have consider for her well-being, say boy, this man you can't afford to take her in because him already have somebody where him living with. Or him not have no money to put her now where to live. So why you gonna run out of frying pan and jump in the fire? Some people I want to understand where me I come from. You know what I'm glad say? Most of my audience are mature people. So you understand. You don't make it be a gender issue. You understand the whole circumstances and the situation. And what me I try to get at and the point me I try to get across. All because you people are a mature audience. Because this is not about gender. And this is why I want to go into the comment section and play a part and tell me one thing. You can't lock shop on me and expect me to still maintain you after a period of time. Whether me or the cause why you lock shop or you just feel like lock shop, me can't continue to maintain you. If you have kids see me, I will continue to maintain my kids. I am not going to be that hopeless father. Oh, because woman lock shop on me stop maintaining my kids. No, I will continue to maintain my kids until them reach of age to maintain themselves. And not because we are not together and shop like me not gonna give you the money. I will still give you the money to maintain my kids. But there's a but. If it's a case where I find out that you are taking my cash to also finance yourself, so you save my money because you know, good woman and good woman, some real woman know how to make ends meet. So a man always in search of them type of woman there. Where you know say boy, you come home and you can find one $10,000 for the week. Despite you know, to maintain the house and thing it might take 15. But what? She know how to sieve that little 10,000 there to make it reach. You understand? If I have for 6 or 5 days out of the week, she sieve it. So at least you have a 2 day you can save, a 5 day where you can try make up back for that 2 day, they with that 5,000 they miss it for see where can go on. Some man can't do that. As you give them the money, them start ball. How what this? Lord, what this? Right. So if me give her for the kids them, and she figure more or less that she can sieve out my money to the lowest level to maintain for her lifestyle and for herself, and me find out that you know what go, she can't hang my money no more. But at first I'm not going to stop giving her the money. You understand? Me not going to stop. When me I go stop now is when me realize that she has sieve out my money to suit herself. And that's so now other people go call me mama man. Because this is how people stay in a woman and a woman. As soon as you take a stance to protect yourself, and not only myself in this case, protect my kids, because me provide food for my kids for 5 days, and because she sieve out my money, if it can reach her, my money only stop at 3 days for my kids. When me I say my kids can't eat for 5 days, because me they don't short the money 5,000 to all things go. So when it comes to the 4th day now, I'm going to the 5th day, I start bust my brain now because I want to find out, you know, how me I gonna make my kids eat for the next 2 days. Never know in the long run that me I gonna find out, say, instead of 2 days, 3 days, My kids no eat for 3 days. Because what? The mother sieve out the money. But people, on an honest note, I'm not going to maintain a woman a lock shop for me. As I tell you in one previous blog, you know, shop and my pocket is a combination lock. Once you lock shop for me, my pocket lock is a combination lock. One can't open and the other one lock. The two of them have to open at the same time. Because I'm not going to open my pocket and maintain you and you lock your shop for me, but yet still your shop up on the next one, a good idea now maintain you. What the sense? It makes no sense. I mean, I see no sense in it. And that's just reality, people. We got to face reality. You understand? This is not like me a bash no female. This is not like me a bash nobody individually. And one of the main things why I mostly can relate to relationship include male and female. Because most people are depend. Most of them topic them and most of the woman them come and talk about. Yes, because a woman me know about. I only can share a relationship. I only can share an occasion where man is concerned and my opinion towards certain things a man might do. Because me is a man myself. But things like these me can't. Things like these me can't share on behalf of a man. Because remember, a man and woman relationship me deal with. Someone can talk about what happen in a man and woman relationship. Whether it happen with me or whatsoever. And this is it. You see, female bloggers, vloggers and sagas can easily find more topic, especially in a them case here, to talk about than a man, you know. Especially as a Jamaican, because we all know the type of country where Jamaica, where we live in, it's an homophobic country. You know, so if you come out as a man and you know, you talk about certain issues where man is concerned, people might look on you on a different level and want to say you are this and want to say you are that. So certain topic where even would have come to my mind and would I really want to talk about, it best a woman talk about that, a female talk about that. So female are always have more topic to talk about. Yes, man. As I say, people, any reason where a woman want to leave me for, if me like you, check for you, like that, me not say my own, you know, plead to you and beg you for stay and all them something there and where. Me gonna try, me not gonna just make you walk so, because me check for you and me love you. But me not gonna be the one where I gonna come boof baff you to stay with me and intimidate you and, you know, all them little something there and try to sabotage you with certain things and try to blackmail you. Me not do them something there. If me beg you with all my heart and plead to you for stay and give me a chance and you choose not to, so be the case. If you left me because you feel say my sausage not have enough strength in it, you understand, a boiled sausage me have and you want raw sausage, so be the case. If you feel like say my sausage bending in the middle because it's soft, so no form of quality penetration you can't get and have any fun and you want to go get a good sausage, so be the case. If you feel like say my icicle melt down and want dry ice and no care what you do, it can't freeze up, so be the case. If you feel like financially me can't maintain you and you want to go, so be the case. If you feel like say certain privilege you can't have with me and you want to go, so be the case. As me say, if me check for you and me like you and love you that much, I will ask you to stay, plead to you to stay. But if you figure more or less you want to go, so be the case. Me not the man who go boof baff nobody or whatsoever. No, sir. You go on. But as me I said to you, make a decision carefully. Make a decision wisely. It not make sense to jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire. It not make no sense. As me say, you go left a man because him have woman. And go pick up a man now. Well, live with female woman. What's the difference? You left a number one position because you say you're a man of woman and gonna take up a man with woman gonna play number 2, number 3, number 4, and number 5. You know, say you're silly. You know, say you have no sense. You know, say you're fool. And then at the same time now you want me now to end up maintain you How that I go work out? That can't work out and will never work out. So now if you make a decision wisely. You understand? Don't make a decision through ignorance. Don't make a decision because you find yourself erratic. You know? You have this arrogance about you because of what me have done. So you want to prove a point. You want to go and show, say, oh, not them in a tree now growing on my face. Me can't get man too. Me can't this. Yes, you can't get man. But remember now, there is consequence. Because the man know where you are going to get, you know. That the man that good having people, as me said. What benefit that I go after you go and play second fiddle? When did you have me for yourself? When a girl have to come look for me and hide from you, you know have to go look for your man and hide from the woman. You know, say you're foolish. Foolish! So ladies, just be careful on a decision. Make it wisely. Make on a decision wisely. Alright? Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. We just have to go into something. You know, to keep the channel going because this was a topic me want to run upon chatting span the ends yesterday, what as me say. You know, the place is too noisy and busy. And when you do them something and distracted, you know, your topic and where you do not come off with. That's why I like to do these things most time in my room or lock up in my car. Because as soon as you see people are passing and passing, you get distracted. You know, and then you know carry across the message the way you really want to carry it across. You know, even when me I do my little props them on my video them on the next channel, if me not do it in a comfort zone when me know say boy, if you even a peep on me, you know, me don't want to know say me no know, you know. But once people me have an idea say people are hear me and people are see me, you now get that performance there out of me. But when me know say me free, yeah man, are the real thing you get, man. Yes man, you get the real thing out of me. So that's why I like do my video them in my car and in my house. Less distraction. Anyway, people want to know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel. Life is a Mission TV. Speak with Mind Entertainment. Remember the Young Entrepreneur Life with Gabby and Chevy. Link of our YouTube channel in my comment section pin. Give her a subscription. $ Life is a Mission is also my cash up pin in the comment section. And if you go in my community, you see another family member, Tamika Douglas. Just hit the topic where I repost our channel and you see our link. Easy for you. Just hit the link and hit the word subscribe. Bless upon yourself and thanks for watching again. You know? Yeah man, see the gazebo there. Where did I make up the whole heap of noise what last week in a video that come along, you know. One more part left to cover off. Bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Do the do. You know the do. Some people, you know, I don't think I want to stress it no more, but reasoning like them, yeah, I want to go in the comment, man. Yeah, man. Reasoning like them, yeah, I want to participate in reasoning like them, yeah. Reasoning like them, yeah, I want to go in the comment and comment. You understand? Same like on the flat the next channel comment. Or some would want to flat the comment, yeah. Like up them video, yeah. Make a reason up them things, yeah. Because, you see, if we can have more of them reasoning upon social media, you know, where a man knows, say, boy, if him go up on that platform there, I this him likely to see reasoning like this, and if him go up on that one there, me can guarantee you, them now go say, boy, them now go up on social media because I be a foolishness. Them go automatically adapt. What me say? They are going to automatically adapt because this is what is out here for them. This is what the platforms are offering. You understand? It now offers certain things where them want. You understand? So if we can get them to gravitate to things like these, we know mix up and cascas and them something they won't stop. That are from before me born. That are from Paul Bogler run through the hills of St. Thomas. You understand? And Nanny out there fight. You understand what I say? So, these things are not things we are going to stop just so. Or any at all. But, you know, the more we can do to help the situation and help the cause of, you know, trying to come around and make people come around and understand, say, come on, man. Yeah, me know you love a little drama and a little mix up because, you know, drama is like soap opera, you know. Mix up is like soap opera, you know. And, you know, it gives you therapy at times. Yeah, man. Smile and give your face a rest and, you know, exercise your jawbone and stuff. So, me understand it all give us therapy. But when them time you come around, where a seriousness and, you know, conscious talk and reasoning in a life, we can stop and give it a listening ears to, man. We can participate in it to, man. Same like how we participate in the Instagram mix-up and this YouTube mix-up and the Facebook mix-up, and we go on a comment all 10 times. I will press up the like 50 times, and on one time we can like, you know, but still we are try press 50 times and don't realize that the same like. You get what me I say? And the same thing you can do over here, so man. You understand? Show some maturity at times. Make people see, say, boy, watch out. We are not all about just mix up, passa drama. We are matured people can sit down and have a conscious reasoning also. You get what me I say? Don't make it be like some people who only love certain genre of music and them despise the next genre of music. You understand? Yes, you might not love that type of music, but that don't mean if you despise it. And this is how it come like. It come like most of these people just love the mix-up part and the drama, but them despise the reality, the consciousness. Them despise that. No, man. I could try to, you know, play a part and love everything. And that's what me simply I say. Alright, my people. So, tell me what you feel. As me say, what you think about a man locking his pocket when the woman lock shop on him. What do you think about that? Man locking his pocket when the woman lock shop. Because the woman can't lock shop and me can't get served, but she want my money over the counter. What you going to serve me? Eh? What are you going to serve me when me give you my money, when you lock your shop? So if you give you my money now until you feel like open the shop for me, no sir. Me find a different shop. That's how it goes. Nobody feel like say me hungry and me come to your shop and you say you send go and buy the chicken back. You understand? And me figure 2 hours. Just because you want the sale, me figure 2 hours you want to hold on for my money. When there is so many other shops down the road, you can't have my money. Me go and buy my chicken back elsewhere. Yes man. Whole heap of shop out there. It's just that I do me their support from day one. But me now go sacrifice my hungry just to make you get the sale while you have my money. No sir. So I just simple that. Just go into the comment and make me know. And as me say, I want to press the thumbs up, man. I want to press the thumbs up, man. Like up the video them, man. See? Share the video them. Share the link of the channel. Remember, you know, we want that channel there for growing up because you see all that uno where might know, yes, you know, support the channel and stuff, but is that like gonna love the next channel more because, you know, we know why the next channel love more because we know more into what go on this and stuff like that. You know, I get feel love that channel, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. Because my goal is to get uno to love this channel. My goal is to get this channel because this channel is a multi-purpose channel. You understand? This minute you can come on the channel and you get this tomorrow, you get that tomorrow. You understand? It's not like the main channel, you know, say boy, the track where we run pan is just, you know, 100 meter run pan that the track there. This a track a whole heap of different event take place. 4x4, 100 meter, 60 meter, long jump, all swimming take place pan this a track here. You get what me I say? So, you know I get to love that channel here, man. All because, yeah, hold on. All because the multi things we have to do on the channel. So bless up on yourself. Peace out. You know what to do. Already, me done telling you that already. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Continue to support both of the channels. And as I said, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, the cash up in the comment section. Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Blessings to you. Stay safe. Always remember, as me tell you, be careful of your surrounding. Yes, man. Be careful of your surrounding. And just know you, man. No mother, no sister, no brother, no cousin. Just live with them accordingly. Because only your friend know your secret. Who you think are your friend? And not just people who are stranger where you might friend are your friend. Your families are your friend too. And because you have them as family, you have them as relative, you put your soul trust into them and you make them know certain things where probably you won't tell a stranger or will never tell a stranger. You understand? And they becomes vicious against you in the long run for one reason or the other. Probably because they can't have you the way how them want have you. Because you earn 2 shilling and them feel like say you earning that 2 shilling. You should just come and take up them financial who's them have and maintain them dirty lifestyle. Maintain whatever them want you to maintain. And because you're not maintaining that, you know, them start swing against you. And as somebody come around, you probably can't give them $1 and need certain information or whatsoever, them sell you out. Like how they sell out Jesus with 30 pieces of silver. So just be careful. Alright? A robot me want for my friend. Yeah, I want some robots so I me program them because remember now, anything you put in the robot how you get out. Just like a computer, a robot a computer. Anything where you put in and where you get out. The computer now give you nothing where you not put in. So if you are typing Sonia in the computer, you want to know, get Sonia because you have some file for Sonia and you put in Ponia. Remember say, it's either the computer will tell you say there's an error or there is no Ponia but you can't get Sonia. You understand? Because a Ponia you put in, so how you put in you get up. Bless up. Thanks for watching. I'm out.